In this video, we're going to take a look at how to perform a number of actions. We're going to get some things set up in preparation. These are things that a typical organization might go through as they go to onboard and leverage service management in totality. So for these administrative tasks, we're going to log in as our tenant admin. So let me log in here real quick. Tenant admin. So one of the first things that we're going to do is we're going to go set up some time periods. So let me jump out. So time period management is done under my dashboard, the mega menu there under time period over under plan. If you have loaded sample data, you will have a number of things. You can see these US 2021 holidays, 24/7 schedule, things of that nature. If you haven't loaded sample data, you can do so mega menu, administration, and sample data over under utilities. There's a different video that covers how to do this, but if you need to, you can go there. It's easy. Click a button and wait a little bit of time, and you'll end up with sample data across the system in a number of different ways. But we're going to go ahead and create a new time period. So we're going to go ahead and click the new button. And we're going to give it a title. So this title is going to be workshop example time period. We're going to do this one. Let's do Sunday 8. We'll do Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. just to give us a specific time period to kind of target here. So Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. the type. So we have lots of different types of time periods here. We're going to pick maintenance because ultimately we're going to leverage this from a service maintenance period. So we're going to pick maintenance. If you want to set an owning group owner, feel free to go ahead. Set a time zone that is something relevant to you so you don't get confused in time zone calculations when we're making sure things work. So I'm going to go with US Mountain since I'm in the Mountain time zone. And I'm going to make this a reoccurring event. And we're going to make it, what did we say? We said 10 a.m. 10 a.m. On Sundays. So not Thursdays, but Sundays. And the duration, we're going to set it for 3 hours. That seems like a good time period to start with. And we're going to repeat this every 1 week. So that'll be every Sunday. It will start on the 9th, that is today, and it'll go through the 9th next year, 2022. And in this case, we're going to set this to apply to all services. If we wanted to, we could pick services, and you could pick your services off the menu if you wanted to set this for multiple services, but we're just going to go ahead and apply this to all. Okay, I think that's what we need initially. So we're going to go ahead and save. Now, upon initial save, you'll notice that this is in the draft phase, and we need to move it into the active phase. So we move it by clicking in the upper right-hand corner, the active forward button, and then you click save. And, oh, I forgot to fill out a owning group and an owner. So let's do that. So the owning group for this period, we're going to choose the cab group, and an owner of, I don't know, Aaron Caffrey is going to own this one. Aaron's sample data. He gets used a lot because he's at the top of the list. Okay, so we are now in the active phase. We can confirm that by going to our workflow tab, seeing active there. So our time period is set up. So what are time periods? Time periods can get used in a lot of different ways. In this case, we're going to use them for maintenance. We're going to try to log a change in this time period window, Sunday between 8 and 10 a.m. And we're going to see how that operates effectively throughout the system. But that is the first thing that needs to happen is creation of your time period.